Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a dot plot in R. First we create a dataset. This is the dataset that we will load in variable X. Once we have the dataset stored in a variable, we can use the dot chart function to create a dot plot. When you run this command, you will see this dot plot in your plot pane. If you want to label the dot plot, you can use additional arguments. This main will give the title of the dot plot. X lab will be equal to the x-axis label, which is data values, and y lab equal to frequency will be the label of the y-axis. Once you run this function, now you see that this dot plot has a title and x-axis label and y-axis label. This is how you create a dot plot in R. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.